Welcome to our YouTube channel, Easy Work Abroad. Today, we're going to be talking about warehouse and factory worker jobs in Canada and the pathway to permanent residency PR. If you're looking for a stable and well-paying job in Canada, this is the video for you. We'll be discussing the pay and benefits, qualifications, responsibilities, and the process of getting a factory sponsorship work permit in Canada. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Who is a warehouse or factory worker? A warehouse or factory worker is someone who works in a warehouse or factory, performing a variety of tasks such as loading and unloading goods, operating machinery, and maintaining equipment. These jobs are in high demand in Canada, and they offer a great opportunity for people to work and live in Canada. Warehouse or factory worker pay and benefits. Warehouse and factory worker jobs in Canada offer competitive pay and benefits. The average factory worker's salary in Canada is $30,869 per year or $15.83 per hour. Entry-level positions start at $27,300 per year, while most experienced workers make up to $39,000 per year. Additionally, many companies offer benefits such as health insurance, paid vacation time, and retirement plans. This can be especially beneficial for those who are looking to immigrate to Canada and establish a long-term career in the country. Warehouse or factory worker qualifications. To qualify for a warehouse or factory worker job in Canada, you'll need to have a high school diploma or equivalent. Some jobs may also require you to have a forklift certification or experience operating machinery. A forklift certification is the result of a training program that ensures employees have the aptitude, knowledge, and safety standards in order to operate a forklift without risk of injury or damage to company property. Additionally, many companies prefer applicants who have experience working in a warehouse or factory environment. However, there are also many on-the-job training programs available for those who are willing to learn and grow in their careers. Responsibilities and duties of warehouse or factory workers in Canada. The responsibilities and duties of warehouse or factory workers in Canada vary depending on the type of factory or warehouse. However, some common responsibilities include loading and unloading goods, operating machinery, maintaining equipment, and ensuring the safety of the work environment. Additionally, many warehouse and factory workers are also responsible for keeping accurate inventory records and performing quality control checks on products. Types of factories in Canada. There are many different types of factories in Canada, including food processing factories, textile factories, and automotive factories. Some of the largest factories in Canada include the Ford Motor Company, Bombardier Aerospace, and General Motors. Each of these factories offers a unique set of job opportunities, and there is something for everyone in terms of career advancement and growth potential. How to get a factory sponsorship work permit in Canada. To get a factory sponsorship work permit in Canada, you'll need to apply for a job with a Canadian company that is willing to sponsor you. Once you've been offered a job, the company will apply for a work permit on your behalf. It's important to note that the process can take several months, so it's important to be patient and stay organized. Additionally, it's important to have all of your documents in order, including your passport, CV, and any relevant certifications or qualifications. Our factory worker jobs are in demand in Canada. Canada is a country with a strong manufacturing industry, and there are many factory worker jobs available across the country. These jobs can range from assembly line work to machine operation and everything in between. The demand for factory workers is high, and the job market is expected to grow in the coming years. This is a great opportunity for those who are looking for a stable and well-paying job in Canada. How to get a job in Canada as a factory worker. The first step in getting a job as a factory worker in Canada is to create a resume and cover letter that highlights your experience and skills. It's important to tailor your resume and cover letter to the specific job you're applying for. Next, you'll need to search for factory worker jobs on job search websites such as Indeed or LinkedIn. You can also reach out to recruitment agencies that specialize in factory worker jobs. Apply at canadacareersite.com. Another great way to find factory worker jobs in Canada is to apply through canadacareersite.com. This website is a job search website specifically for those looking for jobs in Canada. It's easy to use, and you can search for jobs based on location, job category, and more. The website also has a section for factory worker jobs, making it easy for you to find the perfect job for you. Required documents to apply. When applying for factory worker jobs in Canada, you'll need to have certain documents ready. These include a copy of your resume, cover letter, and any relevant certifications or qualifications. You'll also need to have a valid work permit or permanent residency, as well as proof of your education and work experience. Permanent residency pathway for factory workers. For factory workers who are looking to immigrate to Canada permanently, there is a pathway to permanent residency. The Federal Skilled Trades Program is a program that allows those with experience in a skilled trade to apply for permanent residency. Factory workers are considered to be in a skilled trade, and therefore, are eligible to apply for this program. In conclusion, factory worker jobs in Canada are in high demand and offer a stable and well-paying career. The pathway to permanent residency through the Federal Skilled Trades Program is also available for those who are looking to make Canada their permanent home. We hope this video has been helpful and informative. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Easy Work Abroad, for more tips and tricks on finding jobs and immigrating to Canada.